Hi everyone. Our final year project is Metaverse Banking. Our team consists of 4 members and our supervisor was Dr. Ranga Rodrigo and we had external collaborator Nsinga Private Limited. As you saw in the demonstration video, this project aims to develop a metaverse-based banking system using 2 virtual reality headsets. These interactions will happen using avatars. A customer who is not physically at the bank is able to wear a headset and access several banking services by interacting with the bank's representatives. This is the overall system overview of our final year project. This project, we will deliver a mobile application and a MetaBank VR application to accommodate with the project scopes. To dive deep into the system overview, let's first talk about the MetaBank mobile application methodology. A customer can log into our mobile application using a username and password, and an employee can log into our system using an employee ID and a password. So once they log in, they can create a full body avatar of themselves by uploading an image of himself, and then the avatar will be saved in our servers and will be used in the MetaBank environment as the avatar. And also, user can input the user details such as name, email, phone numbers, NIC images, signatures that will be used in the normal banking environment, so that all the details will saved in our databases and then it will be synced in the virtual reality banking environment. Let's dive deep into the MetaBank VR application methodology. A customer can log into our MetaBank VR application using the same username and the password which was used to create the account in the mobile application. So the authentication will be happened in our servers, and then the customer will be pushed to the MetaBank environment with the personalized avatar that was made by himself. And several banking services will be implemented, such as account opening and money transaction. So we have used speech to text generation using a large language model, which will reduce the burden of enter inputs from a keyboard. Further, consultation may happen if the user requests consultation. Bank representative will join the MetaBank environment, and then the real-time connection between the customer and the bank employee will be made with the voice transmission. To push the boundaries further, we have developed an alternative application which can be used in the metaverse environment. As to explore new fields in Metaverse, we have implemented a Meta Jewelry application so that once a customer login into the Meta Jewelry application, they can view and customize their pendants by customizing the name, metal, thickness and material. And after that, they can virtually fit on the jewelry pendant and then the actual purchasing can be done. So in this project, we have done implementing the Meta Jewelry application with viewing and customizing pendants. So the virtual fit on and the actual purchasing will be the future works in this project. As for the research work in our final year project, we have done a research on 3D model construction using a text and an image input. This is the high-level idea of our research. Our developed model can construct a 3D model by using a reference image plus a text. As one example, here we used a jewelry necklace with the text prompt of detailed gold jewelry. The nerve model will be trained for 10,000 epochs with a learning rate of 0.001. These are the images of the constructed 3D model in several camera angles. As for the conclusion and current status of our final year project, when we get to the Metaverse Banking application, we have implemented a banking environment with several banking services, and all interactions will be made from personalized avatars which will be made for each customer and employee. And we have implemented a secured banking environment including authentication and authorization. And also we have implemented a natural language processing based speech to text integrated form filling to provide an immersive and convenient user experience. And with regard to Meta Jewelry Store application, we have implemented an immersive and convenient user experience with including realistic visualization in the jewelry pendants. And as for the research work, we have implemented 3D model reconstruction using a text and image input. This is the overall summary of our final year project. Thank you. Stay tuned.